Hey guys, welcome in today's quick NIO daily update on the charts for the technical analysis, where we can predict the prices that NIO is going to go over today and coming into the beginning of next week. We have seen some nice moves in NIO this week, as we did actually have a small sell-off and we came back down to those nice layers of about $40, and again we had some nice upside over the last few days and we are now sitting around that $46 price range. Now the prices of NIO were actually down on the day yesterday by 1.5%, and again I'm doing this on the 4-hour time frame on tradingview.com. So if you want to go and learn how to do charts like this, then just go to tradingview.com. And if you would like access to any of my private buy and sell alerts, then be sure to check out the link to the private Patreon below. For the price of a coffee, we are absolutely destroying on the Discord, and we have had some stellar results over the last few months on some of those stocks that are up now over 100 and even 200%. So guys, NIO is now at $46, and if we use the 200 SMA, we can see that this is going to be acting as a support for me, and again it is now touching that support layer of around the $40 price range. So we can expect, now that we have topped up around this level, NIO to continue to have maybe a tiny bit of momentum selling down today, and we probably will have a small sell-off down around that 50 on the SMA line and continuing down to about $44 on the close for the day. That is what I predict is going to happen today. Now if we do see a major sell-off today in the markets of 1 or 2% on the S&P 500 companies, we can probably expect NIO to rebound back down to that $42 price range, and if not, we will actually start to see NIO increase and go back and retest those highs of $55. Now we do actually have some nice news and catalysts coming up for NIO next month, because just in a few weeks guys, in August we are going to have some more delivery numbers, and I do expect NIO to retest those highs in that same week of about $55, especially if we get those numbers that we have been looking for. So it's just a matter of time guys until that does actually happen, and it will be a very, very exciting day when we do actually start to see those prices of NIO re-move towards that $50 range and above. And remember guys, this is just the start of the S curve right now for NIO. They are only down here and they are only producing a few thousand, 100,000 vehicles every single year and a few thousand vehicles every single month. As we come into the years of 2023 and beyond, this is going to be an enormous company guys that has some incredible potential with their ride-hailing aspects, autonomous driving, and also global domination. So we are going to see a shift into electrical vehicles, and that is why I'm very bullish and I'm happy to draw up daily chart analysis on stocks like NIO, because again, if you use those EV stocks to your advantage, they are high growth stocks, and high growth stocks guys will have a tendency to move a lot more in the market in a single direction in a single day compared to those other stocks that we do see. So with this guys, we can expect NIO to retest those highs of $66 coming over the next few months, and then again pushing into that triple digit range over the next few years. But if you are someone looking to day trade NIO, then again those prices on the support, that is where you are going to want to get in. You're going to want to get in at the ground floor around that $42 mark, especially if you can get this below, and again we do ever have any breakage of that support, that is going to be a great leak guys to load up the boat on those shares for the long term, especially while there is fear in these Chinese EV stocks, because of course you are investing into a Chinese company and there is a lot of speculation around the risk that China holds. But guys, it just doesn't come without risk. Obviously investing always has its own risk, but they have always been there since day one, and whether you were holding NIO 2 or 3 years ago, or you were holding NIO today, there is no difference in the level of risk. We are going to see NIO on the New York Stock Exchange, and I don't think we are going to see any changes to that. In fact, we are only going to see stricter regulations coming in over the next few years, and this is going to continue to allow NIO to be traded over the markets as they are currently. And again, we are going to then see a push in those share prices as this company ramps up in production. So I expect NIO to have a small sell-off today guys, like I said, around to that $44 price range, some consolidation, and there is a very strong layer of support around this $42 mark. But into the next month of August guys, we are probably going to see those highs again of around $50, and if we do have some extremely good delivery numbers, we can expect to retest this high resistance layer of 55. And if you are someone that is looking to swing NIO, then again getting in at these prices of $44 and swinging them up to $50 to $55 is going to see a significant gain of about 20 to 25% on your account in the space of a few weeks. So that is what I would be looking to do if I was one of you guys and I was looking to day trade or swing trade this stock. And again, like I said, especially if we do have any breakages down to below that 40 price range, I would be looking to get into this as soon as possible, because you will see those prices again of $44 within the space of probably about 7 days, and that way you are going to make some lovely upside on that stock. I can also see again on the RSI that we did recently hit around that 60 area, and again prices did get quite high, so we did have that little sell-off that we just had over the last 24 hours. So once we do come back down, guys, and we are above the 50 on the RSI, this also acts as a secondary support, and again we are not quite there yet, so I do expect that reason for the selling to continue again, and then we will have that layer of either continuing down and we will hit the 30 on the RSI and bounce here at that $42 mark, or we will again hit that 50 on this mark of support on the RSI and bounce back up to that 70, which is why I said we will retest those highs and coming into those delivery numbers of above $50. But Mike, I am doing, guys, I'm holding this one for the long term, building up my position, because I am a true believer that we are going to see triple digits with this stock over the long term. So guys, if you did like this video, then be sure to go down there, make sure you are subscribed to this channel with the notification bells turned on. I hope that you did learn something new on this technical analysis today, and also you are enjoying these type of videos and the style that I am doing for editing. If you would like access to my private buy and sell alerts, again, I will leave a link below to the private Patreon in the description. And I hope to see you guys back on my channel soon for some more content and technical analysis on investing. And don't forget, guys, to use those indicators on TradingView to your advantage. Load up that 50, the 100 and the 200-day SMA moving averages and get used to seeing them, because these stocks will actually act as a support line and a resistance line, because these stocks will actually follow and correspond to these layers of 200 and 100-day moving averages once we are in, again, those layers of consolidation, as you can see right here up on my screen. So guys, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.